Hey, what's up, friends? So, due to low demand, I've decided to put a video here together to talk about the coronavirus mask and just kind of how that helps to prevent the spread and things like that. So, basically, now in Harris County, all citizens will be required to wear a mask, and whether that's the N95 mask or a bandana, maybe doing like this, whatever, just cover your face. But just to shed some light on things, I just thought I'd do a little bit of research and just show that it does in fact help, or it doesn't help and it's just a waste of time. So with that, let's just check this out. So I've just come in here, obviously to get this going, I just Googled something. Will wearing a mask help prevent coronavirus? And a ton of stuff pops up. CDC, common questions. I clicked this one. Recommendation regarding the use of cloth face coverings. In light of this new evidence, CDC recommends wearing cloth face coverings in public settings where other social distance measures are difficult to maintain. Grocery stores, pharmacies, especially in areas of significant community base. So basically, if you go in somewhere that's heavily populated, it's highly recommended that you wear this mask. Otherwise, it doesn't seem like it is any point. Which I could totally understand. I mean, if you're going in a grocery store and you're going to be surrounded by a bunch of people, then yeah, like do something. If you don't have this, then at least go Bazooka Joe style, go like this. Can I have that milk over there? Can you pass me that milk? Do you mind if I get those eggs? Look at this. Even those who eventually develop symptoms, pre-symptomatic, can transmit virus to others before showing symptoms. So even before you cough or sneeze, you're still spreading it apparently. But we don't have the test to know that if you have it, so you can walk around with corona and you don't even know it. This means the virus can spread between people in interactions, close proximity, for example, speaking, coughing, or sneezing. Even those people are not exhibiting solutions. Oh, here we go. In light of this new evidence, CDC recommends wearing cloth face coverings in public settings. Okay, well, we talked about that. Grocery stores, pharmacies, wherever people are densely packed, you need to be wearing a mask. Here it is. It's critical to emphasize the maintaining 6 feet. Here we go. Cloth face coverings fashioned from household items or made at home for common materials at low cost can be used as additional voluntary public health measure. Well, it's not so voluntary here in Harris. You have to do it, apparently. And that's it. And here's a good video by this gentleman.
Here's how you can make your own face covering in a few easy steps with items you can find around the house, like an old scarf, a bandana, or a hand towel, or you can make a face covering out of an old t-shirt. Hold it to the middle from the bottom. Hold it to the middle from the top. Hold it again to the middle from the bottom. And again from the top. And then 2 rubber bands. One on one side and one on the other side. Then you fold either side to the middle and you have yourself cloth face covering.
Wow. That's pretty good.
It's that easy.
There you go. Well, I've done a ton of research online. In every article I read, it seems like it's just kind of mixed reviews. But at the end of the day, what I found that is whether you're wearing an N95 mask or you're just wearing a bandana, the point is to prevent coughs and sneezes, droplets from spreading. So if I talk to you like this, stuff is going to come out. But if I talk to you like this, then it's okay. Got a bandana right here. This is better. You could still see me and hear me talking, and albeit look kind of ridiculous, but this is going to prevent the stuff from coming out. So now the question is now that we know masks work, and let's say I do get my hands on an N95 mask, how do you even wear this thing? I mean, what's up with this thing? Like, how do I put this on properly so that I'm not contaminating myself? Because you have to touch your face in order to put this thing on. So the first step I'd recommend is to wash your hands. You need to wash your hands if you're going to be touching your face. So let's do that real quick.
Wash my hands, shorty.
Okay, so now that my hands are clean, I'm ready to put on my mask. So you'll notice I have a beard. So the thing about a mask is that you want to keep it very sealed to your face. You want to make sure that it seals down here as well as up here and up here. See, this is what makes this mask so reliable, is that the material is super fine, so it's not going to let droplets into there, and also it creates the seal around your face. So that's why it's important to wash your hands, because if you're going to be touching your face, you're going to make sure you're not spreading the corona while you're just trying to prevent yourself from spreading the corona. So most masks have this thing right here. Just put it over your head. Go up top like this. And now you're ready to go to the grocery store. You'll notice it's sealed here, sealed up here. I need to get a little tighter up here like that. There you go. Come around here on this side. So there you go. That's how you put on an N95 mask. So now you can go biking, you can go walk around the park, go to the grocery store, and you're going to protect yourself. One thing you will notice though is that it is kind of hard to breathe. So if you're going to be exercising or walking around, you may have to take a break. So before you take your mask off, get in there, do some hand washing, get a little hand sanitizer, and then that way you'll be able to take care of yourself. You know what I mean? So that's it. Thanks for joining. I wish you guys all the best. If you have any questions, just hit me up. I'll do my best to answer, but I would definitely recommend you do some research or talk to a doctor or somebody who knows what they're doing. So stay blessed, stay healthy, and I'll talk to you later.